Mnosaka Bunibibi, Moniturakana to Nausori. The Vodafone Regional Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Rajnesh Prasad. The Chairperson of Special Administrators for Nausori Town Council, Mrs. Rokotu Imbau. Chairman of Vodafone Tebara Carnival Committee 2024, Mr. Umakan Patel. Acting CEO of Nausori Town Council, Mrs. Nazrana. Staff of Nausori Town Council, the 6 beautiful contestants, invited guests, media representatives, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Numbula Nakwa, and a very good evening to you, Nausori. It is indeed a pleasure to join you here tonight to witness the crowning of the Vodafone Tebara Carnival 2024 Queen. This year's carnival constitutes 6 beautiful Queen contestants who are vying for the Miss Vodafone Tebara Queen 2024, first and second runners-up, and of course, Miss Vodafone Tebara Charity Queen. The theme for this year's carnival is Choose Healthy Lifestyle, with the slogan Combat NCDs, was well advocated by our contestants in this 1-week-long carnival. Non-communicable diseases, or NCD, kills 41 million people each year, which is equivalent to 74% globally. From that 41 million, 17 million dies before they turn 80 years of age. Now that's something we need to change. And we can only do that together as a community. And also, very important, as a nation. Our Ministry of Health, 2022, data shows that we have lost an estimated of 5,700 Fijians yearly due to NCDs. And now, around 80% of our deaths are caused by NCDs in Fiji, and it is growing. We need to change our lifestyle, not only for ourselves, but most importantly, for our children and grandchildren. And encourage you all to take heed of the theme and choose to live healthy lifestyle. Please do take part in sports activities. Do regular exercises and choose health diets to combat NCDs. And I also urge all parents out there to practice and live a healthy lifestyle at home. Ladies and gentlemen, communities come together through these carnivals and create opportunities for local businesses, farmers, charitable organizations, and the youth to showcase their creativeness. Funds generated will be used for more developments in your town and improve service delivery. As alluded earlier by the chairman of the Vodafone Tebara Carnival Committee, 20 new public garbage bins worth $17,000 under construction and waste separation compartments and will be installed in your town, replacing the old bins. The funds raised will also assist 5 victims and those in need of medical treatments. In addition, the Vodafone Tebara Carnival has also contributed towards the Rara Level Gas Crematorium. I'm delighted to note that Nausori Town has been growing through the support of your community and the business houses. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also thrilled to inform you that today our coalition government, your coalition government, launched the Gurmit commemoration celebrations in Lautoka to commemorate our Gurmit ancestors. The first of the 60,965 Gurmitiers landed on our beautiful shores on May 14, 1879. This year, 145 years later, we have become one family. Their sacrifice has helped Fiji in what it is today. Ladies and gentlemen, our coalition government believes in promoting social cohesion, which is the best way forward for our beloved nation. We need to work together, have effective communications as a community, and believe in one another. Your government is here to promote diversity, inclusivity, with a hope of shared values and a common identity. I must also remind all of you that a collaborative effort is required to make Nausori a more vibrant and attractive town to live, invest, and visit. Your government, your council, and statutory authorities are doing as much as it can, but it cannot do it alone. They need your support. We need your support. Collaborative effort from the private sector, civil society, and NGOs are needed towards this initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly take this opportunity to thank the organizers, the sponsors, and all those who have helped to make this event, this carnival, a success. Not forgetting you, the crowd. Without your combined efforts, this carnival would not have been a successful one. And also, Vodafone Fiji, a major sponsor, has played a major role in supporting and sponsoring all the major carnivals around the country. Thank you, Vodafone Fiji Limited. To all our beautiful Queen contestants, you are all winners from the day you decided to be part of this year's carnival. Being a contestant is an honor, which you should embrace and value as a young woman. I'm sure you're all excited and also nervous at the same time. Be rest assured, you will never go wrong if you are authentic, humble, thoughtful, and speak and act from your own heart. Enjoy the process, enjoy the networking, and the learnings from this carnival. I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of the committee in empowering women in our society through these festivals. Today, we have women who are involved in decision-making process. Now, with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish our Queen contestants all the very best, and may the best lady wins. Nangabang Lebu, a very good evening to you all. May God bless Nausori town, may God bless us all, and may God bless Fiji.